Hello and welcome. In this video, we will talk about some tips for evaluation contest. So my name is Puneet Sharma, and if you watch this, then this video will help you to be better evaluator. If you talk about evaluation contest at your club level or area level or in regular meetings, it will help you. So let's move on. First thing is analytical quality. So your evaluation should be clear and logical. What you are saying to the evaluator, it will be clear. Don't try to say anything which go over the head of the judges or who will be there in the evaluation contest. Next tip is be specific. Be specific on what you are saying. So narrow your point. Don't use the words like something or anything. I have seen some evaluators in evaluation contest itself. They are saying like, if you are saying anything, I have seen in some part of speech is a very good vocal variety used, but in other part needs some improvements. So don't try to uh, say this type of things. Be specific where you liked and what, and where you have any recommendation to the speaker. So be specific what you are saying. Next is don't talk only to the speaker. So evaluation is also a type of performance, so you need to address and engage the audience as well. Don't only, if you don't talk to the speaker only, like if you are saying you have done this, you have done this better, this is your improvement, so it's not going to help many more, like you are talking to speaker only. So so avoid using you all the time. Instead of that, you can see the speaker has used, or he or she, you can use in place of you. Directly you can tell, uh, so that each and every audience as well as judges are engaged as well. Next tip is give example what you like and as well as recommendations. So what you have liked, just don't tell this, give an example of that. Like if you are saying the speaker has good vocal variety, so don't only say this, give a example of that, like where you in your speech, when you are delivering, like there are two person in the frame, so the vocal variety you used, one person you can say very soft and clear voice, very soft and soothing voice, and the other person is very very rude, rigid. So you can, in this way you can change your vocal variety, example, for example. And same thing in recommendation as well. So what you want to recommend to the speaker, just give example how it can be done better. If you are talking about vocal variety, then give example, like in place of that, if you have done this kind of thing, then it will be better your speech next time. Next thing is summation. So some people just go with the flow, and at the end they don't use they don't give any summary to the speaker. So summary is important, that if any speaker forget what you have done in in whole your evaluation, then he'll take the summary and he'll, so summary contain whole of your evaluation. So some tips are there, like divide your speech into 3 minutes. Like in first minute you give commendation, in second minute you can give recommendation, and in third minute when you see green card, you can start summarize, conclude your speech. It will be better. Next part is technique. What techniques are used. So the type of speech, like in the speech, the speech is motivational, inspirational, humorous, or interesting, entertaining, any kind of thing is used. So if you say that your speech is this kind of thing, this technique is used, this approach is used, or this structure is followed, so it will uh, like give a more clarity, and judges will impress about that. So if you talk about evaluation contest, next part is don't go for audience. So sometimes I listen to some speeches and I hear someone saying that I listen to that speech. So if so the evaluator is going very good. Okay, this is applicable in speeches as well. If you are doing humorous speech, so you see that audience are laughing and they are going crazy, and in the evaluation also they are saying like, wow, this evaluation was very nice, very good, but sometimes it will not impress the judges. So in contest, if you talk about, just don't try to impress the audience always all the time. Engage them, that is fine, but don't try to impress them always. Your focus should be to impress the judges so that they'll give marks on their ballot. And yes, I have seen this thing many times. People will say in basic level, where when they are new, they saying like, I am starting, or let me start to the. So when contest here call you, just start your evaluation. The timer will start at the first verbal or non-verbal communication from your side. So you don't need to specify that I am starting. It's responsibility of timer. He will start on your first verbal or non-verbal communication. So these tips are from my side. And I want to share one more thing, that is what is the evaluation contest judges ballot. So it is here. You can see this. If you talk about analytical quality, clear and focused, and recommendation is very important. So if you are delivering any evaluation, so don't ever say like, I don't have recommendation. Recommendation is very important in a positive way, positive, specific, or helpful, you can say. So in out of 100, these analytical quality and recommendation only contains 70% of marks, like 40 and 30. So these in these two, you'll if you are doing good, then you are more than half away. More than half part is done. And next, technique. So technique and summation is also important. So just see what is there, and next you can see the details what are there. So before going to evaluation contest, just it's recommended that you can see these ones. So yes, that's all from my side, and I hope you have enjoyed this video, and it will help you next time while delivering evaluation in speech evaluation contest, or in your regular meetings as well. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in next video.